Make sure the aircraft and remote controller batteries are at least 50% for the upgrade. Power on the aircraft and connect it to your computer via a micro USB cable. Run DJI Assistant 2 for Phantom. Choose DJI P4 Multispectral. Enter the firmware upgrade page. Choose the firmware version you wish to upgrade to, and click Upgrade. It is normal that the aircraft restarts automatically during the upgrade. Do not interrupt data transmission during this process. The upgrade is complete when you see a prompt. After the upgrade is complete, connect the remote controller to your computer via a micro USB cable and power on the remote controller. Choose the remote controller connected. Choose the firmware version you wish to upgrade to and click Upgrade. Do not power off the remote controller or touch the connection cable during the upgrade. The remote controller will restart automatically, and you will see a prompt when the upgrade is complete. Thank you for watching.